Slime is one of the most safest toys ever. It's soft, stretchy, couldn't hurt a fly. But not today. I'm gonna be making some of the most dangerous slime textures ever. Make sure to stay until the end because the last one is gonna blow your mind. We're starting off with a spicy slime. Now, I searched everywhere on the internet for the spiciest things I could find, and we have the spiciest chili flakes ever. And also, I got literally the spiciest chilies in the world. You know how I got these? Dirty Dan. Yeah, that's who I go for whenever I'm trying to find rare items. And so we have them here today, and I'm gonna put them in my slime. Starting off with the spiciest chili flakes. I'm not even gonna use gloves for this. I'm just going straight for it. This is a very dangerous activity. You definitely don't wanna try this, but that's why I'm doing it for you. Oh, I can already it smells so strong. Let's just dump it in this bowl of clear slime and then mix it all together. Ready? Whoa. I have to say the scent is a bit overwhelming. My hands are definitely gonna smell very strong for the rest of the day. Okay, let's go for it. Oh my gosh. I love how they look in the clear slime though. You can see all of the little flakes. And I've never seen anyone mix chilies into slime. I have a feeling that it's just gonna deactivate our slime. There's only one way to find out. I actually really like spicy food, but I've never tried a ghost pepper. I don't know about that. Part of me kind of wants to try it, but I've heard that it's very painful, so I don't really know. But I will say, so far, this slime is definitely starting to deactivate. Like, look at my hands. Oh, it feels so weird, guys. I can say this is definitely a dangerous texture because my hands are super tingly right now because of the flakes. They just feel so strange. Where did Dirty Dan even get those? That's so sketchy. Before this slime deactivates completely, let's add some of the ghost peppers. I think it's time. I will say, it kind of smells like a plantain. Comment down below if you guys like plantains. That's like my favorite food, but it literally smells like that. I'm gonna lick it. Nothing happened. It's fine. Okay, you know what? This is getting really messy. The slime is starting to almost drip everywhere, so I'm gonna put it in a cup and then add our peppers. Luckily, I added some activator so it won't be as sticky. Oh my gosh, this is literally the messiest slime ever. All right, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna clean the table and then we can add our peppers. All right, we cleaned up. I finally have my nice cup of slime here. Honestly, spicy slime is such a bad idea. I don't recommend doing this. It's definitely super dangerous, and it's worse when you add the hottest pepper in the world. I've never had my hands on one of these, and this is an intense moment right here. We're adding 4 onto our slime. You guys, the smell is so intense with the flakes and the peppers. It's like really up my nose right now. It's making me want to start coughing, but it's time to squish it in our slime. Ready? Oh my gosh. I kind of want to open up one of the peppers. Dude, the smell. Oh my gosh. This has to be one of the most dangerous slimes I've ever played with. It's really tingling all of my senses. The smell, the texture, it's just so hard to work with. And I honestly only recommend ever trying this out if you're a slime professional because this slime is just crazy. This is such a weird concept. I swear, they're only gonna get weirder and weirder. But this is it for our spiciest slime in the world. I'm pretty sure we have a world record. I've never seen anyone try this before, but let's move on to the next texture. Okay, you've seen Aaron add thumbtacks into slime on the last video, but you know what's more dangerous than thumbtacks? Rusty nails! These nails are super sharp, so I want to be super careful as I mix them into my slime, but I have to say, this is probably way more dangerous than the last one, and it's going to continue to get more and more dangerous. All right, I'm adding all of the nails in there. Let's squish them into the slime. You know, I really hope that I don't get tetanus from this. I've heard you get that when you play with rusty nails, but I'll do anything for a little slime experiment. You know what this kind of reminds me of? Salad fingers. I used to watch that a lot as a kid because my brother once showed it to me and I thought it was like the weirdest thing ever. This guy was like obsessed with his rusty spoons. It was just such a creepy thing, but I honestly love watching scary things. So this right here is kind of reminding me of those rusty spoons that he would play with. But check this out, guys. Look at all of the nails. Oh my gosh. It's so spiky, I can't even play with it. I'm trying my best here, but it's like anywhere I touch the slime, it's like a poke, and oh my god. I'm not even wearing gloves, like ow, it's so bad. Let's see if I can do a bubble. Honestly, I doubt it's even possible, but let's try. Ready? Is it gonna work? Nope, I'm gonna give it one last chance, let's see. Okay, I think that counts. But I can't even squish it. This is so dangerous. Definitely do not try this at home, guys. Don't try this ever. This is like the worst slime I've ever made. I can't even give it a squish because I'm seriously afraid I'll get tetanus and I won't be able to play with slime ever again. I give this a painful 8.5 out of 10. It's really up there, but let's move on to the next one. Up next, we're adding CDs into slime. Now, I know what you're thinking. Anna, that's not dangerous at all. So we're gonna smash them. You know, I bought a sledgehammer, but it didn't show up, so this is the best we got. Okay, so we have our crushed up CDs here, and just check out how beautiful they look. I love the rainbow effect. There's all sorts of different sizes. I mean, I know these guys, these tiny ones, are gonna be super dangerous, and they may look beautiful, but they're gonna make for a very crazy, dangerous slime. I think the best way to go about this is to get our clear slime and drizzle it on. I have my thick gloves here for safety. Let's just go for it. Nice. This is a lot of slime. I'm gonna get rid of a bit just so it's more saturated with the CDs. Okay, and now I'm excited to flip it over because this is gonna look super cool. Ready? Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I have gloves on because I know this would definitely cut my fingers. This is something that you don't want to try. That's why I'm doing it for you guys. But let's give it a good stretch. I actually don't know if these CDs belong to someone. I just found them in the back of the warehouse and I thought they would look really nice in some clear slime. I'm glad I tried it out because, oh my gosh, I just love the rainbow effect. This looks insane. Because of the rainbows, this is starting to look like one giant crystal and it honestly looks so pretty. Look at that. I think because it's already mixed in there with the slime, I kind of want to take my gloves off and just kind of test it out a bit more. I'm going to be super careful because this is a very dangerous slime. But let's see. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. I think this one is my favorite. The thing is, I can't really do like a proper stretch. This is like way sharper than the nails one. I'm definitely not gonna, ow, okay, I need to be careful. I'm gonna put my gloves back on, but I have to say, this is a very beautiful slime, but it's extremely dangerous. But yeah, this looks so cool.
Hey, have you guys seen my Peachybbies around? I might have left
Nope.
to make sure.
I haven't seen him. But
oh, sorry, my bad. My
yeah,
bad.
dude,
Sorry,
we're shooting a video.
Good luck on your video.
Hope you find him. Well, from a scale of 1 to 10, I rate this a dangerous 9.9, and I guess I have to go buy some new Kesha CDs. But before we do that, we have to move on to the last slime and the most dangerous of all of them. Shark teeth! There's about 1,000 shark teeth in this bowl, and even though they're 65 million years old, they're still super, super sharp and dangerous. Let's put them in our slime. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this one right here is huge. So I grew up about an hour away from the beach, and I used to spend my childhood running around with my brother at the beach searching for shark teeth. And I remember one time we collected a couple of them and I tried making a necklace out of the shark teeth, and they looked exactly like this. Oh my gosh, they're so sharp. Look at that, there's so many. It's crazy how you can literally find this on the internet. Like these right here are 65 million years old. Can you believe that? You know what's crazy? These teeth are so old. I mean, these teeth right here are older than us. YouTube wasn't even a thing. Slime wasn't even a thing when these teeth came to be. This has to be the most ancient slime right here in our hands. That is wild. You know, I'm sure these sharks had no idea their teeth would end up in slime. But you know what? That's life, right? I mean, I don't know. Maybe one day my teeth will end up on some alien slime or something like that, which, you know what? I'm actually gonna make sure that happens. But you know, this slime is super pokey. It's super hard to play with. I mean, just look at that right there. I can't put my hand on that. I mean, I can, but it really hurts. I cannot believe that now it ended up on a slime. Like, that is so silly, but it's also very special. Like, we're mixing history and slime. And you know, now I think that we not only made the most dangerous slime, but also oldest slime ever. And that makes me want to give it to a special friend. Erin!
Hello. Your sledgehammer showed up, by the way.
Anyways, Erin, I made you a slime.
Wow.
This slime right here is made of very sharp, fine shark teeth, and they're 65 million years old.
Wow.
This is officially the oldest slime ever.
Officially?
Yeah. It is very sharp. You're gonna want to be careful with it. Ow. Yeah, right? I'm telling you.
They call these shark teeth more like sharp teeth.
Yeah, that's right. Dude,
Oh, ow, 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 ow.
yeah, I know. Look at this one.
This is really freaking me out because teeth are bones and those are somebody else's bones.
a bone
you made
slime.
a bone slime. That's very
that make you
creative.
feel weird?
It makes me feel really weird.
So you don't want it?
No.
Well, great. Well, you know what? I rate this slime a 10 out of 10 on the danger scale and a 0 out of 10 on does my best friend want this slime scale. But if you guys have any other really good ideas on what I should add into my slime next, comment down below and maybe I'll add them in the next one.